Hey everyone, it's Jonathan Murner again with Millinovator, and I just want to walk you through a little bit more in-depth procedures of Facebook and what you should be doing if you're trying to advertise on Facebook. So if you're advertising on Facebook or trying to, and you're not using the Facebook pixel, then you're doing it wrong. So I'm going to show you a little bit. Obviously, I'm in here in Events Manager, and I would go to Pixels there, and here's the Millinovator pixel. When you go on here for the first time, there'll be like a box here, a box in the middle, and a box on the right. And at the very bottom, there'll be a green button that says Create Pixel. You would click on that, you would name the pixel, and it would take you to this page right here. So this is pretty self-explanatory. So let me tell you first what the pixel is. The pixel is ultimately a string of code that allows you to track everything that's happening on your website. People who are going to any pages on your website, it tracks all those people. And it's very, very important for advertising, especially for retargeting. So you need to get the pixel on your website, and there's several different ways to do it. So first is, and Facebook tries to make it easy, fortunately, you can use an integration or tag manager. So if you're using Squarespace, Wix, any of these platforms, you can do that. If you have a developer for your website, you can email the instructions to a developer. I mean, that's pretty simple. And then the last way you can do it is manually install the code yourself. It's really not that hard to do if you know how to get around your website, the back end of your website. And they even tell you how to do it. You're going to locate the header for your website. This is the actual Facebook pixel here. You're going to copy the clipboard, and that's just by clicking on it. And then at the bottom, once you do that, it'll let you send test traffic to your pixel. And I've already done that, obviously. And that's pretty much it. You're going to implant that, and you're good to go. So once you've done that, there's several different things you can do, but first I'm going to walk you through how to check to make sure your pixel's there. So if you go to Google, and I'm in Google Chrome, and if you're not using Chrome, then I would highly suggest you do that. But I'm going to go to Facebook Pixel Helper here, and they have in the Chrome Web Store, there's just a little plugin that you can do right here, and I've already added it, obviously, and it's this little box right here, this little gray box. It doesn't look like much, but that is the Pixel Helper. So essentially, if I wanted to go to Google and type in dentist, I could go in and see which dentist has the helper. So let me click on this Copland Implant Family Dentistry. So nothing's happening here. It looks exactly the same. So that means they don't have the pixel. So let me go back and go to the next one, Seal Family Dental. Again, no change here. So that's going to be the same thing. And what you'll notice is that a lot of people aren't using the Facebook pixel. So if you are way ahead of the game, because a lot of people aren't using it. And even if they have it, they don't really know how to utilize it very well. So let me go. Here's our homepage of someone we're working with here locally, Down in Front Productions. They're a local videographer. As you can see, once I click on their page, that box shines blue and the 3 comes up, and that's how many pixels are on this specific page. So I can go to any page I want in their entire website, and that pixel is always going to be showing for that page and for the microdata. And it's not really important that you know all of that is, but just know that this is helping you track people that come to your website. I mean, if people are coming to your website and nothing's happening, then you need to know. And another great way, and I'll finish the video for this. So this is that same client, and you can see here the link clicks and button clicks they have for certain advertisements we've done. And we don't have any website purchases because we're not trying to get website purchases. We're trying to get link clicks and button clicks. Well, if I see that I have people that are clicking the links and buttons, and I see that they've gone to the website, but they haven't converted into an actual conversion that we set up and that we talked about on the last email, then I can retarget those people based on this Facebook pixel that I've set up. It's a very, very powerful tool. And if you're not using it, you definitely need to do it. So if you need any help with it, Facebook is really good about their help. Obviously, we can help with you, and we'd love to talk to you about it. So reach out to us, and we'd love to help you get set up.